Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Health as well. Today we are going to cover the top 3 weak chest exercise to help you build a stronger, more defined chest. Number 1. Bench press. The barbell bench press is a classic chest building exercise. It focuses on your pectoral muscles, triceps and shoulder, making it a great compound movement. Make sure to keep your feet flat. Grip the barbell just wider than shoulder width and bring it down slowly to your chest before pushing it up explosively. Exercise 2. Dumbbell flies. Dumbbell flies are perfect for targeting the inner and outer chest. Laying on a flat bench, hold a pair of dumbbells above your chest with a slight bend in your elbows. Slowly lower your arms. Push-ups. Push-ups are a versatile body weight exercise that you can do anywhere. They work your entire chest along with your shoulder and triceps. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Lower your